Hi, how are you doing today?
Hi, I'm doing well. How about you?
I'm good, thank you for asking. Your name?
My name is Gaurav Sharma. What's yours?
I'm Allison Davis. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Allison. Age?
I'm 21 years old. How old are you?
I'm 23 years old. Where are you from?
I'm from New York. Where are you from?
I'm from Mumbai, India. Ever been here?
No, but I'm coming to Mumbai for vacation.
That's great. When are you coming to Mumbai?
I'll be there during the summer vacation.
Wonderful. How long will you stay here?
I'll stay for about 2 months. You?
I live here, studying in medical college.
What college do you go to, Gaurav?
I go to Mumbai Medical College. You?
I study at NYU. What year are you in?
I'm in my final year. How about you?
I'm in my third year of college.
What are you studying at NYU, Allison?
I'm studying psychology. What about you?
I'm studying medicine to become a doctor.
That's impressive. Do you like your studies?
Yes, I do. Do you enjoy psychology?
Yes, very much. What's your daily routine?
I study, attend classes, and do practical work.
Sounds busy. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m. You?
I wake up around 7 a.m. usually. Breakfast?
Yes, I have breakfast at 7:30 a.m.
Same here. Do you exercise in the morning?
Yes, I jog every morning. You exercise?
I do yoga every morning. Classes start?
My classes start at 8:30 a.m. Yours?
My classes start at 9 a.m. Lunch time?
I have lunch at 1 p.m. You?
I have lunch around 12:30 p.m. usually. Hobbies?
I like reading and playing cricket. Hobbies?
I enjoy painting and playing the piano.
That's cool. Do you have evening classes?
Yes, I do. How about you?
Yes, I have evening practicals and labs.
When do you finish your classes?
I finish at 5 p.m. You finish when?
I finish around 4 p.m. usually. Dinner time?
I have dinner at 8 p.m. You?
I have dinner around 7 p.m. Bedtime?
I go to bed at 11 p.m. You?
I go to bed at 10 p.m. Free time activities?
I watch movies or read books. You?
I hang out with friends or paint. Favorite food?
I love biryani. What's your favorite food?
I love pizza. Do you cook?
Yes, I cook sometimes. Do you cook?
Yes, I enjoy cooking. Favorite dish to make?
I like making pasta. What about you?
I enjoy making tacos. Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling. You?
Yes, very much. Any favorite places?
I love visiting the mountains. You?
I enjoy visiting beaches. Do you have siblings?
Yes, I have one sister. You?
Yes, I have a younger brother. Weekend plans?
I study and relax. What about you?
I hang out with friends or family. Pets?
No, I don't have pets. Do you?
Yes, I have a dog. His name is Max.
That's nice. Do you take him on walks?
Yes, every day. Any favorite TV shows?
I like watching Friends. You?
I love Stranger Things. Do you play sports?
Yes, I play cricket. Do you play sports?
Yes, I play tennis. Weekend activities?
I visit friends and family. You?
I go hiking or to the beach. Favorite book?
I love To Kill a Mockingbird. You?
I love Pride and Prejudice. Any favorite movie?
The Godfather is my favorite. Yours?
I love Inception. Do you like video games?
Yes, I play sometimes. You?
Yes, I play occasionally. Favorite game?
I like FIFA. What's your favorite game?
I enjoy playing The Sims. Do you drive?
Yes, I do. Do you drive, Allison?
Yes, I have a car. Do you?
Yes, I have a bike. Dream destination?
I want to visit Japan. You?
I want to see Switzerland. Like spicy food?
Yes, I do. Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I love it. Can you handle heat?
Yes, I can. Do you prefer sweet food?
Yes, I like sweets. You?
Yes, I have a sweet tooth. Desserts?
I love ice cream. What's your favorite?
I love chocolate cake. Study preferences?
I prefer studying in the library. You?
I study best at home. Group studies?
Sometimes, but I prefer solo. You?
I like group studies. Use social media?
Yes, I use Instagram. Do you?
Yes, I use Instagram and Facebook. Travel plans?
I want to travel after exams. You?
I plan to travel during breaks. Do you work?
No, just studying. Do you have a job?
Yes, I have a part-time job. Work details?
What do you do for work?
I work at a cafe. Any internships?
Yes, I intern at a hospital. You?
I intern at a psychology clinic. Future plans?
I want to specialize in cardiology. You?
I want to be a clinical psychologist.
That's wonderful. Do you like your professors?
Yes, most are great. How about yours?
Yes, they are very knowledgeable. Exams stressful?
Yes, very much. How do you manage stress?
I meditate and exercise. You?
I paint and listen to music. Favorite season?
I love winter. What's yours?
I love autumn. Do you like rain?
Yes, I enjoy it. You?
Yes, I find it relaxing. Any phobias?
Yes, fear of heights. Do you have any?
Yes, I'm afraid of spiders. Favorite holiday?
I love Diwali. What's yours?
I love Christmas. Weekend getaways?
I visit nearby hill stations. You?
I go to countryside cottages. Summer plans?
I plan to study more. You?
I plan to travel and relax. Like Mumbai?
Yes, it's vibrant. You excited to come?
Yes, I'm very excited to visit Mumbai.
That's great. I'm sure you'll love it here.
I hope so. Any recommendations for places to visit?
Definitely visit Marine Drive and Gateway of India.
Thanks for the tips. What's the local food like?
You should try vada pav and pav bhaji.
Sounds delicious. Can't wait to try them.
You'll love it. Do you need help navigating?
Yes, that would be great. Thank you.
No problem. I can show you around.
That's very kind of you. Appreciate it.
My pleasure. Looking forward to meeting you.
Me too. It will be fun to explore together.
Absolutely. Safe travels to Mumbai, Allison.
Thanks, Gaurav. See you soon.
Bye bye. See you later.
Bye bye. See you later.